Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your PS4 to a laptop using an HDMI cable. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your browser and search for OBS Studio. Once you find it, download the software that matches your Windows version and install it from the downloaded file's target location. Next, you'll need an HDMI video capture device, which is easily available on Amazon and other online stores. You can usually find one for as little as $10. Now, take your HDMI cable and connect it to the back of the capture device. Then plug the USB end of the adapter into your laptop's USB port. Once that's done, turn on your PS4, go back to your laptop, and launch OBS Studio. Inside OBS, you'll need to create a new scene. Click the Add button in the bottom left corner and name the scene whatever you like. Then add a new source by clicking the Add button again and choose Video Capture Device. Give the device a name, then in the Device drop-down menu, select USB Video. This will display your PS4 screen on your laptop. Click OK, and then you can resize or adjust the screen to your preference. So that's basically how you can connect your PS4 to a laptop using an HDMI cable. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.